Hey everyone, this is Tyler here at Big Lakes Dodge here in High Prairie, Alberta. Today we're going to be looking at our 2024 Grand Cherokee Altitude 4x4. This color here is Silver Zenith, and it's got caprice leatherette seats with suede inserts. And the engine we're running on this one is a 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 engine with start and stop. And it's got an 8-speed TorqueFlite automatic transmission. This vehicle comes with adaptive cruise control with stop and go, pedestrian cyclist emergency braking, full speed forward collision warning, plus advanced brake assist system, active lane management system. It's got blind spot monitoring with rear cross path detection, which means like if you're parked between two vehicles on each side and you can't see anywhere from each side, it'll and you're reversing out, they'll get a little notification if there's somebody coming this way, so you won't hit him or they won't hit you. Excuse me. And it's also got the park view rear backup camera, which is right here. That'll always be nice when you're reversing, so you can see what you're reversing. It's got Park Sense rear park assist system with stop, and it's also got LED reflector headlamps. This vehicle here is a 5-passenger seating, and the rear seat is a 60/40 split folding bench seat. And let's go take a look inside and see what we got here. And we're at the passenger side here. Here's your door handle. You got your locks and your windows with the one touch. You just hit it once, it goes down, and then you hit it another time once and it comes up. It's also got that beautiful accent stitching, some storage, cup holders. Here's the suede insert seats I was telling you with the caprice leatherette. Nice stitching here as well. Then you got your glove box, got your manual, your warranty information, Sirius XM information, your microfiber cloth to clean your screen up here. Alright, let's take a look in the back seat. You got your locks, your windows. These ones ain't one touch. You have to hold them down. And they go all the way down, all the way up. Got some more storage, cup holder space. Got a nice netting here if you want to keep maps or chargers or anything like that. And then you got your nice more suede insert seating. And you also got your, one second, gonna reach over. Got a nice cup holder there as well. Put that back up. Let me show you how to pop this seat forward. You hit this button right here, and the headrest goes down. Got your nice seating right there. The rims on this vehicle are 20-inch. They're very nice rims for this vehicle. And then you got your power lift gate here. Just hit this once, or you can double click your remote. Nice area. You can pop these seats down as well. Got your 12-volt charger, and then this is to shut your gate. More storage, and you got your spare tire and the jack underneath here. And to close this, you just hit this, so you could double click your remote. And this one also comes with the towing package. You can't haul like a 30-40 foot trailer, but you can haul a little something, and then it's underneath this thing right here. I have to pop this off. And let's go to the back seat on the other side, driver's side. More storage. You got your lock controls over here, windows. Got some more netting right there, and then you got your seat. You could also do the same thing on your seat here, so you can put like a air mattress back here, and then you can use that 12-volt DC plug-in to pump up your air mattress or something. And then you also got your 2 USB-Cs and 2 USB plugins. You got your wall outlet plug-in. Got your climate direction, and then you also got a little storage space if you want to put your phone in here. And this one comes with the blind spot monitoring. If you can see this little triangle here, somebody's coming in your blind spot, that'll light up orange. And it's got heated mirrors as well in case in the winter they fog up, and then they'll be able to defrost for you nicely. Got some more storage down here. Got your double stitching, nice accent stitching. And then you got your power locks, your window locks, controls of all the windows, and then you got your mirrors, your power mirrors. You also got your electronic park brake system, and you got all um your lights, your dimming controls, stuff like that. And you got your lumbar controls, power seating on the driver's side. And then you got the crosshatch stitching on here, so it seems like it'll last longer. It will last longer, actually. And it's a heated steering wheel as well, so that'll always be good for the winter months. And all right, let's hop in. We could take a look inside. All right, in the front here, we got the AC with dual zone automatic temperature controls in the system here. And then you can control it all there. And you also got your heated seats, analog, and your seated steering wheel. And then you could also control it up here on your screen. And then you got your heated steering wheel, heated seats on each side. And then if you want to defrost your rear window or your side mirrors, you just hit this one, hit rear, and then it'll usually turn them all on. And then what else we got here is this display is 10.25 inches. It's a full color digital gauge cluster. Sorry. And then oh no, sorry, that's this one. My mistake. And then we got the Uconnect 5 with the 8.4-inch full flush display. We got hands-free communication in here, along with the media hub with 2 USB and auxiliary input jacks, which are down here. And also at the same time, you got your wireless charger. If your phone's equipped with wireless charging, you can just pop your phone down there when you're driving. No need for cords, and that'll always be nice when you're driving, won't it? You got your knob for your park reverse, neutral drive, and if you're driving down the road and it's dark out, I mean it's bright, yeah, it's dark out, and this screen's bothering your eyes, you just hit the screen off, turn your screen right off, and to turn it back on, all you got to do is tap it. And then you also got your adaptive cruise control here. So what that is that when you're driving down the highway and then you're pulling up to someone on your cruise control, then they're going a little bit slower than you, instead of you just keep on going and catching up to them and having to turn it off, it'll adapt to the cruise, and then it'll go at their rate of speed, so you're not riding up on them too much. And you also got your analog, or you can switch it to digital, or you can, and then if you're going to the States, press OK for miles per hour. It'll switch to miles per hour. So it'll always be nice if you're driving down to like Arizona or somewhere, going on vacation, California or something. You'll be able to know how fast you're going rather than having to rely on your kilometers. And then you also got your screen set up, which you can customize everything. And then if your phone is connected and it has stored messages, and you connect your contacts to this, then it'll read your messages for you, and it'll tell you who it's from. And then it tells you also what station you're on here. This is Sirius XM right now. It also comes with AM, FM, or if you're playing music from Spotify or Apple CarPlay or something like that on your phone, it'll let you know what you're listening to. And you got your trip A, trip B, then your oil life, and then this is a driver assist. So if you're driving down the highway and you get a little too close to the white line or a little too close to the yellow line, it'll let you know, and it'll pull you back to whichever way. It'll keep you in between the lines, so that's always safe. In case you get a little drowsy, so it'll keep you safe. And then if you do get drowsy, you might want to pull over and take a little nap. And now we're back on that. Let me show you a little bit about this here. You got your auto start and stop. So if you're on the highway, or not in the highway, if you're in the cities and you're at the traffic lights and you're stopping and going constantly, if you have this engaged, like right now it's engaged, it'll shut off your engine if you're at a stoplight for so many minutes or for a little while, so it'll conserve power. But if you don't like that, you just turn that on. When it's on, when the red light's on, it means it's off. So then it'll keep your engine running no matter what. And you got your active lane management. To turn it off, you just hit off. So it automatically always stays on as long as that red light isn't on. Then you got your traction control, your hazards, your parking assist, then your sport mode. You hit your sport mode, and it turns your sport mode on. And for this, this is fully customizable. You can press and hold, move these around, customize it to your needs. hold that around, move it around to whichever way you like, see fit. And you got your media, and you got your FM, AM, Sirius XM, your phone's playing, you got your USB input, you got your climate control with your heated seats and your heated steering wheel. And then once you connect your phone, you'll be able to do that there. And your vehicle info with all your settings, my profile display, safety and driving assistance, clock and date, all that stuff. You could set your theme, units, touchscreen beep, all that fun stuff. So many things that you could choose from. And there's so much stuff. Phone, Bluetooth, camera. Click on camera. And if you go into reverse, I'll show you the backup camera. That's a nice quality camera, and it's big. Like, I'm a big guy in my hands. It's pretty big. Got all this stuff that you can enter and fiddle around with to fit to your needs. And then you got all these apps. You got activate services, AM radio, assist, audio settings, backup camera, Bluetooth, comfort, controls, device manager. You got your driver profiles, your heated seats, your heated steering wheel, media, notices, FM radio, phone, screen off, and then your select tire fill alert. Got your SOS, Sirius XM settings, stored notifications, and then you got hotspot if you wanted to purchase that little package. And then you got some nice cup holder areas here. It's a nice little design there. You got double stitching on your armrest. You got a little storage under there. And then to lift it up again, there's double clicks right here. And you got even more storage on there. And if you're at night, you got a little light here as well. You'll be able to see in there. And then this also is equipped with roadside assistance and SOS. So if you're getting in an accident and then you can't call the police yourself or call any emergency services, it'll automatically call itself and dispatch them to your location. And this button right here powers your lift gate. I'll show you in the back there. And then you just hit it again to close it. All right, everyone, if you like what you see here, come on down to Big Lakes Dodge here in High Prairie, Alberta, and come book an appointment for a test drive. All right, everyone, have a good day.